Good morning, Overlanders. We are on our way to Adventure Van Expo in Evergreen, Colorado, which is west of Denver in the hills. Pretty place, very green, pine trees. It's nice. And now we're on I-70 going out of Grand Valley. There's been a lot of smoke because it's drifting in from the large fire in the Grand Canyon that burned down the North Rim Lodge, unfortunately. So there's a little lake here, the Colorado River on the right, and that's for electricity generation. There's a little power plant back down there, Shoshone. Look at the way the freeway had to be constructed. This is very expensive freeway down through here, very expensive. But there just aren't any other options. Okay, we're entering Frisco, which is more of a ski town, but it still gets pretty crowded. And finding parking can be a challenge. But it's a really cute town, and they've got some good restaurants. And it's lunchtime. And we stayed here sometimes when like Vail Pass is closed and we're going westbound and we can't find a spot.
No. Yes, no.
That was a fake.
What kiss?
I try to get in here. Okay, big van. Gonna be doing it. It's tight. But, whoops. Okay, stop before the curb, Jim. A small lasagna. Anyway, it's our favorite restaurant. Cool place. The bar was just full. It's what is it? Up something on Main, I think it is. Yeah, favorite restaurant, but I can't remember the name.
Country lanes and coastal plains, endless views that we're passing through, making our way to a distant place, just us two, somewhere new. We watch the sky fade into the night with you now.
So Katya left her flowers out here, which she has displayed at Adventure Van Expo. And a herd of deer came through last night. And now the flowers are like laying around all over the place. Some were eaten. But it looks like most might survive. So we are in the do-it-yourself section of this event. We're number 6. And these vans right in here, and we're all competing with each other for several different points. I think innovation's one of them, and there's some others. So today we're supposed to find out if we won anything. Don't really care, but it's been fun showing off our van. Really fun. We've met a lot of people, and it's a kick. So our little display here for Overland, or not Overland Expo, that's coming up. This is Adventure Van Expo, and those are elk, not deer. About 100 of them came through camp at about 6 o'clock in the morning. Katya had to walk from the bathrooms over there back here through the herd of elk, which made her pretty nervous. And then they got into the flowers. So she has recovered some of the flowers, but you know, after they've been like played around with by the elk, they aren't in the best of shape anymore. So we had, yesterday, Saturday, we had a lot of people come through the van. I mean, a lot. It was really fun. Kind of instructive to see what different people were interested in. When I put Starlink out, there was plenty of questions of that. So today I'm putting the drone out. And, you know, Katya's got a little display up here on the bed that, you know, kind of makes it cozy and attractive in here. So it's fun. It's really, really a fun event. Get to talk about, you know, 80-20 with some of the folks. They like that. It's just one little thing after another. They notice the soft cabinets up there. Been a lot of questions about where we got those. That's Amazon. And the little lights, again, Amazon. We're here with one of the colleagues for the do-it-yourself vans. He's built this interior out nicely, but he also sells these window covers.
Example, so these are window covers to help you control the temperature in your van. They're reversible. You've got a reflective side and a black side. So depending on the weather and the season, you'd have either side out to control the temperature in your van.
So the wonderful folks from Four Wheel Camper are here. These are a great alternative to vans for off-roading. They're welded aluminum. We've been in the factory in Sacramento, and these are built tough. These are built really tough. They're for off-roading.
Okay, thank you.
A lot of builds here. So most of the show are van builders that'll, yeah, they've got their own designs. Some of them will do custom designs, but they're all over here. So it is interesting to get a lot of ideas. It's fantastic for getting a lot of ideas. So Illuminous is here with their displays, and we've got some of their racks and winch bumper. They served us margaritas on Friday night before the event opened. It was fun, really fun. So this section of the event is for selling your own van, and it's almost all sprinters. And the one Transit that was down there sold right away. It sold it like the first hour of the show yesterday. So that was good. Others here are desperate to sell because they've already bought another Sprinter, and now they're trying to get rid of their older Sprinter. And it's just a E350 van over there, Sportsmobile. So nice variety. Okay, we're stopping by TireRight.com, and they have some pretty nice inflatable, not inflatable dolls. These are inflatables for the wheels, tires. So can you give us a little pitch about your nice hoses there?
Yep, so we specialize in single tire inflation and deflation, and so we actually have hand assemble all of our tire gauges. We get components that are all 1/4 inch MPT, so ours are actually meant to be disassembled, repaired, or have replacement parts installed. We got tired of throwing away tools, basically. So the nice thing is that all of our units have a 2-foot hose, so that allows you to stand up, to air up and air down. And then we've also got the locking chuck, and the locking chuck allows you to lock on, which allows you to stand up, to air up and air down. All of our units are 0 to 200 PSI. We do have a Pro Series. It's one of the few on the market that is zeroable for altitude. So when you travel with your digital gauge, it can be off based on the elevation, and this allows you to compensate for that. Along with our digital tire inflators, we have a lightweight air hose. This is 25 feet of air hose that is tangle free. It also has no memory like a rubber hose. So when you take it out of the package, it's like a limp noodle, and you just basically wind it back up in about 15 seconds. Nice thing is that it swivels on both ends, all 1/4 inch MPT, so you just use standard fittings.
Sounds good. Sounds like really good. We're thinking seriously of upgrading our system. Thank you, take care.
All right, thank you.
So Van Works does the work on our van in Fort Collins, Colorado. But they're here mostly for showing off the interiors that they build. And we go down here a little bit and we have Van Compass, the famous VC. So that is for a sprinter, but this will soon be available for transits. It's the front strut, the new front strut designed by Falcon. So we have those Falcon shocks there on the back of ours, but the front struts are, I've been complaining about them a lot in our videos, and this is supposed to be the solution. It's a beast. I mean, I'm almost scared of that thing. They're going to be about $2,100 and available in August of this year, 2025. As I walk around, there's more people here this morning. The line for the coffee is getting longer. And we are way back there against the fence to the right. And while this is a van event, there's plenty of pickup options here also. Okay, let's see what's going on at home here.
In coastal plains, endless views that we're passing through, making our way to a distant place, just us two, somewhere new.